babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. And of course, if you are already a part of Sunflower Gang, definitely welcome back. As you guys can see, today's video is in collaboration with Unice. Y'all know they have been around forever, one of my favorites, just because they have affordable units. They always give you a ton of goodies. Y'all see we got some lashes, we got an edge band, we got an edge brush, wig cap. The list literally goes on. They actually went ahead and added some I was supposed to call these clip-ins. They added some press-on nails. Y'all know that's been my thing. The nails that I'm wearing now are from Kiss. I wanted to show you how to go ahead and lightly bleach the knot. So I actually used 1 scoop of bleaching powder to the salon. I believe this is from Sally's, right? But just their 30 volume developer. I usually use a half a cup to kind of measure everything out. I did it in like 2 separate parts just so you can see why. I go ahead and use a literally 1/2 cup of developer just to get everything mixed up. I like to use the clear version. I don't usually like to use the cream just because I can get the most accurate consistency that I like that tends to not seep through the lace and bleed and just kind of get messy. And yeah, we don't really want to have to do too much work, right? So I do like to let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then of course I come back, I check it, and I did see that the knots actually got bleached. And then y'all can see I actually have some Adore Black Velvet. I'm going to be shampooing and conditioning with the Aussie Moist. Y'all know this used to be one of my favorite conditioners. And then I actually noticed that in the front area, for some reason, the hairs were just lighter brown. I didn't notice that like any bleach really got on it. So I'm assuming maybe they pre-bleached it. I did know that it was pre-plucked, which I appreciated, but y'all already know I always got to further customize. So I just use typically the Black Velvet, which is just a rinse, and a small little applicator brush just to lightly go over any areas that just need a little touch up. If for any reason you have over bleached it, the hair gets dyed for some reason, typically that just works with no problem. So you guys can see I just went through everything, and I'm not sure if I've said this already, but this is their 5x5 HD glueless unit, and of course this is a 24-inch body wave. Y'all know a body wave is never really a body wave until you know, add a little bit more to it. You guys can see the lightly waves that are, well, the light waves that kind of are in the hair, but it's never going to be like anything just crazy, right? You will need to add a couple curls. Y'all know I like to add a few layers, and I absolutely love to further customize. So they did do a great job of just kind of pre-plucking it. If you are not a pro, if you don't trust yourself with the tweezers, hey, apply the wig. I have plenty of videos showing you how to do that start to finish. But if you want to kind of follow along with this video, I highly recommend taking the extra time to just part this out, slowly tweeze it out if you need to. I'll go ahead and add in one of the videos that I have showing you how to fully customize a frontal. That way you can really kind of learn step by step in the event that I'm moving a little too quickly for you. So no worries there. And then I wanted to kind of clean up the part just a little bit. Sometimes you will have units where literally the part is just not super clean. So you will need to just lightly go through and kind of line everything up. I did go ahead and take some of my Cream of Nature mousse just to really kind of style everything back so that it can air dry and literally do most of the work for me. And then I did go ahead and add a little baby hair here. I haven't been doing the baby hair thing lately, but just for the sake of the closures, for some reason, I just love the way that it looks. It just makes it that much more seamless. You guys will see what I'm talking about in a second, but I did go ahead and take a little bit of the True Scalp tape, which I'll leave a link to that down in my description box as well. But yeah, I just use that. I like to line it up. If you guys need a more detailed video, go through my playlist. I have a ton showing you how to properly apply it and really just kind of get it going. And you guys can see, although we bleached the knots, it makes it that much more transparent so that you don't have to wear a wig cap. And y'all, the biggest surprise comes at the end when y'all see what was happening with my hair underneath this wig. Y'all will not believe this, okay? Here's a quick look at how the hair looks. At first, it came off a little bit lighter brown when I originally took this out of the packaging. So I just thought that it was interesting that after it fully dried and I did go ahead and just completely bone straight flat iron this. Now you'll see me kind of styling up the baby hairs that I pre-cut, pre-styled. I did hit this with the hot comb. I did use a 2-inch FHI flat iron to go ahead and just like literally straighten the hair. I didn't do anything crazy, anything special. I used a 1/4 flat iron to curl the baby hair, and boom, that is it. Literally a 5-minute install. We are at the 5-minute mark and our hair is done. Okay, now obviously it's going to take a little bit longer than this, but this is television. This is YouTube. So obviously the install is really quickly, but I just want to show you that when you really do the work in the beginning, the wig does the rest for you in the end. And this is a one-time thing, right? So as soon as you get it, you customize it. I'm going to go ahead and add some layers. I wanted them to kind of be fringy at first. And then I realized actually I like that deep cut layer where it just really, really looks uniform. And so I decided to go in with my scissors instead of a razor comb to just really, really kind of get it the way I wanted it to look. And then I actually took a 2-inch curling rod just to literally get that body wave going, because of course, y'all know, unless I literally let this hair air dry, it does have some type of wave, but obviously I want to kind of get the best possible version of it. So I'm going to style it, and just to really maximize the look of the body wave, I like to throw in some very large curls. And obviously because I did shape the hair, it's just going to make it look even better, baby. Okay? Y'all see what's going on? And this has literally only taken 6 minutes of your time. So I appreciate you guys if you are already made it to this part in this video. Of course, if you are not already following me on Instagram, I have been posting so much more content there lately. I'm now on TikTok, so definitely make sure that you check me out there as well, because what I've been doing is pretty much posting updates for like the wigs. I've been posting nail videos, so many other things, and y'all have been giving me so many compliments on my makeup that at this point it's time to reintroduce that to my channel. So I'm super, super excited because we have so much on the way already here. Now that our hair is done, baby, we can accomplish anything. And y'all, this unit is completely glueless. I know y'all caught the clip with the comb, okay? This is proof. There's no gel, nothing. A little bit of hairspray on that baby hair. And when I say a little bit, it's literally like a frizz ease, the most light hold that you can have. And that is it. You can take this off when you need to. You curled it already. It's ready to go for the rest of the week. So when you're getting ready to do your thing, baby, make sure that you just pull this right on off the mannequin head. You can take this on and off at night before you get in the shower. Sleep with ease. I am in love. Thank you so much, Unice Hair. Leave any comments or questions down below. Y'all already know I got to show y'all the reveal at the end. The video wouldn't be complete unless I did that. So this is just showing you how easy it is to put on and take off. And y'all, I had a whole ponytail up under there. You would have not known. Bye, y'all. I love you so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babies.